Hi friends, Mr. Kevin here with the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry in Charleston, South Carolina. And I'm going to show you another one of our brown bag STEM challenges. If you were doing this challenge at the museum, you would get a bag of supplies like this, and it would have the only supplies you can use to defeat the challenge. But you can do the challenge at home too. You'll just have to gather up some supplies with help from your grown-up. Today's challenge is to create a spring shower-proof shelter because it rains a lot in the springtime. So you're going to need a house that has a sturdy roof that will repel water and keep the inside of the house dry. So when you're gathering materials, you can use old craft supplies like craft sticks and pipe cleaners. You can use a lot of kitchen materials like aluminum foil and saran wrap or wax paper. Or you can use recycled materials like cereal boxes and cardboard tubes and anything else you find that you think will be a good addition to your shelter. Now how you're going to test your shelter once you have it constructed is you're going to take it, here's how mine looks, and to see if it's going to get wet inside, you use a tissue or a paper towel and you put it inside your house. That way, when your house gets wet, you can check after and see if the paper towel or tissue is dry. And if it got wet, that's okay. You can make some adjustments to your house and try again. Now how we're going to test it is you can put it in your bathtub that's empty, or in your sink, or in a big Tupperware container. That's up to you and your grown-up. And if you put it in a Tupperware container, you might want a towel handy to keep things dry. For a light spring shower, you can use a spray bottle that will do a fine mist. That's a nice gentle test to try if you have one of those. Or you can use a watering can from the garden for a little bit of a harder rain shower. For an even harder storm, you could try a colander and pour a cup of water in the top, and the rain will come out the bottom. Or for a monsoon, you could turn on your shower and see how your house does. After you test your house, be sure to share it with us. You can share it with us on Facebook at ExploreCML or our Instagram at ExploreCML, or you can use the hashtag CHSPlays. Thanks for playing. Have fun building your spring shower shelter.